Zachary Fruhling, aka Cozy Azeroth here. I am working my way through an old TI Basic programming book, 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer by Len Turner. I'm up to program number 93, Snowfall. I'm going to read the very brief program description, get into Classic 99, an emulator for the TI-99 4A on a modern PC, get into TI Basic from there, type the program in, run it, see what we can learn from it, and see what we can make it do. Okay, program number 93, Snowfall. White flakes sprinkle down the screen over and over until you press the break key. It may be useless, but it's a lot of fun to watch. And that's all the reason I need for this program. I don't know about you, but I'm all for fun things to watch on the computer. Let's go ahead and get into TI Basic. This is the TI-99 4A start screen. Press any key to begin. Press 1 for TI Basic. And let's get typing. 10, call clear. 20. Call screen 5, which is like a bluish color. Number 30, call color 2, 16, 5. 2, 16, 5. Character group 2, foreground of 16, which is white, and the same color 5, which is the background color, like a bluish color. Okay, 40, R equals integer of 25 times R in D. R equals integer of 25 times R in D. 50, if R is less than 1, then 40. 60. C equals integer of 32 times R in D. 32 times R in D. 70. If C is less than 1, then 60. 80. Call HCHAR. This actually draws the character to the screen. R, C, 42. That's row, column, and 42 is the character code for an asterisk, which happens to be in character group number 2, right there as defined in the call color statement. Okay, 90, go to 40. Basically just generate a new row and column and then print that character to the screen again. So this is the entire program. I'm just going to skim it real quickly, looking for syntax errors, typos, math errors, anything of that sort. Nothing seen, so let's not belabor this. Let's run the program and watch the screen fill with stars. Very pretty. It would be cooler if the stars were falling from the top, and you know, maybe I'll make a variation on this program one day where we generate random stars that fall like matrix style from the top. In any case, the screen will slowly fill with asterisks, and we're not going to bother letting the screen fill all the way up, although, you know, we could try. It would take a few minutes. It goes pretty quickly until you get down to the last 2 or 3 or 4 spots on the screen. Then it's going to slow down and grind to a halt. But eventually, presumably, not necessarily, but eventually, in all likelihood, the screen would entirely fill up with asterisks. All right, a couple screenshots there. So yeah, very cute. What's the name of this one again? This is just Snowfall. Program number 93 from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer. Very cute little simple program, but it's amazing what I love about this system. It doesn't take very much to make cool things happen on the screen on the TI-99 4A. It's way easier to make cool things happen on the screen in this old system than even in most modern programming environments, I think. So, in any case, hope you enjoyed this one. If you are watching this after the fact on my YouTube channel, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under Cozy Azeroth, which is my handle on Twitch, or under my real name, Zachary Fruhling, for lots more TI-99 4A content, retro programming, retro gaming, retro computing, lots of World of Warcraft live streaming these days, and miscellaneous educational videos on a wide variety of topics of interest to me, both professionally and personally. And if you're watching this live on Twitch, same thing. Be sure to check out my YouTube channel for all the above. And if you happen to catch me streaming live on Twitch, say hi in the chat or participate in some way as you see fit. In any case, I really appreciate all the enthusiasm for these retro TI-99 4A videos and content I'm cranking out lately. I appreciate the likes and follows and especially subscriptions. If you're enjoying the TI-99 4A content I've been cranking out, I really do appreciate the subscriptions. They help me out greatly in these very challenging financial times. Thank you very much, and I will catch you in the next video, which is going to be, I'm going to peek ahead here, it's going to be making things move. I'm not going to peek ahead too much till I get busy on the video for that next program. But we're in the home stretch. We have 101 programs to do total, and we just finished number 93, so we only have a few more to go. So stay tuned. Catch out all the previous videos in this series on my YouTube channel and all the ones yet to come in the coming days, and then I'll be done with this book and on to more TI-99 4A topics from there. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you in the next video.